Hi everybody, I was gifted this Japanese hair Botox in exchange for my honest review. And since I'm being honest, let me just say that when I got this product, I thought it was something for curly hair. As you can see, I have lots of curly hair and I thought this was something you put on curly hair to help it be more curly, to hydrate it. Turns out this is actually something that you put on your hair if you're wanting to straighten it and make it smoother and straighter. So it's not exactly what I was anticipating, but we are gonna try it out anyway. So I am not going to straighten my hair or anything like that, but I'm basically gonna use it as a mask on my curly hair. I am gonna leave it on for a little while and then I'm gonna rinse it out. I'm not gonna do any straightening, but we're gonna see what it does. So this has marine collagen. It also has beeswax, and let me just look how cute this is. This is the cutest bottle ever. I love it. All right, so let's start putting this on and let me show you what the inside looks like. It looks like this. It is a very nice thick paste. It's not really a paste, it's more of a cream, but you can see it goes on. So I'm just gonna start putting it through my hair. Just gonna make sure all the ends are coated. The scent is really nice. It is not overpowering, which I really appreciate. It does say to apply this on dry hair, so that's what I'm gonna do. Like I said, normally you are gonna want to, what you're gonna do is after you put it on and leave it on, you're gonna rinse it out, except for a little bit, leave it in, and then you're gonna straighten your hair. We are going to do all of the steps except for the straightening part because like I said, I don't want to straighten my hair. I like my curls. I just want to see if maybe this will hydrate them a little bit. All right, so I am back. I have worked it all the way through my dry hair. The directions on this say to leave it in for 20 to 30 minutes, so that's what I'm gonna do. Like I mentioned earlier, I am not gonna flat iron my hair. I'm just gonna see if this hydrates my curls any, because it does have a lot of good ingredients in it, and it does say hydration right on the bottle, so we're gonna see what happens. All right, I am out of the shower and I rinsed all of the hair product out of my hair. So we are gonna let this air dry. We're gonna see what happens. Again, I am hoping to get some extra hydration. I'm hoping it's gonna make my curls feel a little bit more hydrated, but we shall see. So I'll be back in a couple minutes. Nope, not in a couple minutes. It's gonna take more than a couple minutes for my hair to dry. So I'll be back in a few minutes, but I'll be back. All right, so it's been a couple hours. I am back. My hair is starting to dry. I do think it looks a little less frizzy. Now, my hair is always frizzy. It's naturally curly, so there's always going to be some frizz, but I do feel like it's a little bit less. So that's a definite positive. I did not use this product to straighten my hair or anything, but I did use it just to see if it would add any extra hydration, and I think it has. So I'm excited to see when it's fully dry, but if you are looking for something, this is turning out to be a good product. Japanese hair BTX.